Hi.
Hi.
Oh. No way. I was at that gig.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you remember that opening song?
What's this?
Somewhere for your things?
Hey, have you seen my shoes?
I think we need a bigger place. It's freezing.
It's too small. It's nice.
Yeah.
Look what I found.
There's also plenty of shops and a really good school nearby if you ever need it.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Cool.
So, what do you think?
We love it.
At Lloyd's Living, we're here to make finding your perfect home simple, seamless, and tailored to you.
Just call if you need anything at all.
We focus on what matters most. Your home, your memories.